Yeah.
Alright, this is part 2 of our stromboli making from cooking with the kibbies. Before we stick it in the oven, we preheated our oven at 350. It took Kelly a 6-pack to finish that last stromboli. So, the egg whites that we saved, beat them up pretty good. And then we're going to do an egg wash on both these lips. This will give you a nice brown crust. Be real generous with it. You have lots of yolk. If you spill some on the inside, it ain't gonna hurt it none. This will generally, these are kind of overstuffed, will take 40 to 50 minutes. But I'd check on it like after about 35, depending on how your stove is. You want to get a nice golden brown. So in part 3, we'll bring them out and we'll show you what kind of color I like them to have. And we'll put them in the oven. And we'll see you in about an hour.